Hello everyone, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. This is Offgrid Africa and I'm Sungi. Today I want to take you inside one of Zimbabwe's most iconic cultural landmarks, the Bulawayo Theatre. It's a very old building and for a long time it has been there as Zimbabweans who came here to watch plays, to watch different shows here. So today I want to take you alongside with me as I am doing my work as an arts administrator, and we're preparing for a show that will be held tomorrow. So for those who have never been to Bulawayo Theatre, this is how you get there. This is along Wanda Road or Bait Beach Road or South Africa Road. The road that leads to South Africa, Joburg Road. So this is Bulawayo Theatre. It's along a very busy road, and if you are coming from this direction, this is how you get here. If you are going to be walking or driving, this is the drive-through. So this is a very iconic building with this rich culture, and it shows how much Bulawayo has always supported the arts. And you know that Bulawayo is known for its arts and the historic buildings that it has. So this is one of the most iconic and historic treasures of Bulawayo. The architect itself, as you can see from the outside, it stands out, and it's a reminder that the city has got a rich cultural heritage, of even different types of buildings that are of cultural significance, including this one. When you come here, there's also a coffee shop. Now let's go to the main place. This is the main gate or the main door where you go through. Look at how majestic it looks. So here I am signing in sign language saying that we'll be having a show on the 31st of May. It's Bulawayo Theatre. This is the sign for Bulawayo Theatre, and that is theatre. The show will be showcasing what people who are deaf, the challenges that they meet on a day-to-day basis. The show is called The Missing Bridge, and everyone who will come here will get to understand what challenges the deaf community are facing. So please come. That is my sign name, Tsungi, and I'm a deaf artist manager. So I work with a deaf theatre group that's called Dance, and I'm the manager. Come and you enjoy. So before we go for the show, let's just explore the Bulawayo Theatre together. Come along as I show you how it goes. So that is our banner over there. The Missing Bridge, a sign language play by deaf artists. So come and see the Bulawayo Theatre for yourself. Now we're going to the main auditorium. By just looking at it, you can see how big it is. There is the main stage, and this is where everyone will be sitting. It's a big venue. It sits around 500 people, if I'm not mistaken. About 500 people can fit in here. It's a very huge theatre. It's got a very high standards, just like any other theatre across the world. So now I want to show you other aspects of the theatre that you also enjoy. But before we do that, let me just show you the view from above. This is the main stage, and this is the auditorium from up. So you come through those staircases, or you go down to the main stage, and you also come up to the balcony. This is the balcony. This is an area where people after the show can come and just sit and enjoy a meal or so. So that is the Bulawayo Theatre. It's a very beautiful place. Now let me show you where the toilets are. That is the sign for toilets. Come, let's see. This is the woman's toilets or the ladies. And I'll also show you where the gentleman is. So, this is the ladies. If you need to go to the toilets, this is where the ladies is. And the gents, come and show you. This is where the gents is. This will make it easier for the deaf community who might be coming here for the first time to then appreciate what will be happening. So, we're all excited about the show tomorrow. That was what I was saying here. The deaf group, which is a theater group, will be showcasing. So come and enjoy the show. This is a sign that says I love you. Now I'm inside the building again and I'm signing. This is how you sign drama or acting. The actors will be on the stage. And Bulawayo Theatre is got a beautiful standard. The same standards that you find in the UK, in America, in any other big places in the world. This is the same standard, and it's a first world-class standard theater. So the group, the deaf drama group that I'm managing, will be performing just here. So please come and see for yourself the world-class play that will also
Now,
be showcased. As we are so excited for the show at Bulawayo Theatre, those who will be acting, the actors, how do they get through? I have showed you what's inside, what it's like inside. You've seen the outside, you've seen how beautiful it is. Now I want to show you, if tomorrow you are an actor and you're coming here, or whenever you come here as an actor or an actress, this is the way to go. This is the backstage. You can see that door over there. That is where you go through. You don't go through the front door like the rest of the audience. That is reserved for the audience. But you come through here. So thank you, and you'll see how beautiful it looks. I hope you enjoyed the behind the scenes of how we take a production from this, when we are still planning, to rehearsal stage just a day before, and eventually the performance. Thank you for watching.
Yeah, marketing. Ngale wa marketing. Kule stage, so police le faka. Ufetha fetha. Yamfaka ngale ku stage. Yamona. So those two things here ngale ku stage. Azibuyi la. Are you sharp? No, yeah. So you have space up to. So you can use everything. Yeah.
Nothing. Thing chinga ngikhuluma ngihamba la.
Anto.
Amapoliseni. Amapolice.
Yeah. Khuluma lokhu kabe.
These are the challenges that deaf people have, and they are speaking, they are telling their story in their own language, expressing them from deep within their feelings, and they are being amplified by our sign language interpreters who are here. So in a nutshell, this is the program that we called before.